Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to explain about the nested token, that is constants, okay, in your C program. What is constant? Anyone can say what is constant? Anyone know about it? Constant means it's never changed, do not change, we can't able to change it. In C program also, we can able to fix the value. For example, what's the purpose of we are using this means, there should be some constant values. For example, what's the value of pi? 3.14. We can't able to change it. For these kind of things, we can use this constant. If you want to fix the value, after that we can't able to change like that. If you want to initialize any value means, we can use this constant. Okay, so constant means there are fixed value that does not change. For that, there is one special keyword called const. Always your keyword should be written in smaller case letter, that is small letter. Okay, so constants are identifiers which do not change. But what is variable then? It always varies. Whenever you want to change, we can able to change the variables. So variable values can change at any time. So if you want to declare a constant value or initialize a constant value means, we have to use a keyword called const. See this example, const float. So const is a keyword, float is also a keyword, but it is a data type which denotes the floating point. Then pi is the variable name, sorry, here it's identifier, okay, equal to 3.14. So the value won't change. Once fixed, it should not be changed. So constant variable cannot be reinitialized. What is reinitialized? Again in the next line, I can't able to change like this 3.15. For variable I can able to do it. Here it is wrong. I can't able to reinitialize. Once the value is assigned, fixed, it was fixed. That's what constant variable cannot be reinitialized or incremented or decremented. What is incremented or decremented? Incremented means we can able to add one value, add with 1. For example, if the value is 5 means 5 plus 1, 6. That is incremented. What is decrement? We can subtract with 1. 5 means 5 minus 1, 4. So you can't able to reinitialize, we can't able to increment, we can't able to decrement also. So this is the category of constants. Okay, your constants are divided into integer, real. Commonly we say it is your numerical constants. Similarly, your character constants are divided into character type and string type. So there are two major categories. One is numeric, another one is characters. Again, the numeric is divided into floating point and integer. Character is divided into character type and string type. First, we can see about the integer constant. What is integer constant? That is integer numbers. Okay. So, what is integer numbers? Without pointed values. 1, 0 to any infinity number without pointed values, whole number. Okay. So, again your integer constant is divided into 3 things. One is decimal. What is decimal? It's a combination of value from 0 to 9. For example, 100 is constant, 100 is decimal, 90 is decimal, minus 123, this is also decimal. These all are decimals. It's a combination of 0 to 9. All have got it. Then what about octal? Oct means 8. So 0 to 7, 8 numbers. It's a combination of 0 to 7. Always the octet is specified by O. O denotes oct. So for the octal number, before the number, see, before this 1 2, O is preceded. Preceded means before the number we have to write the symbol, octal symbol. So we can able to find out octal number 12. Small o as well as capital O will be used. to represent the octal number. Similarly, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means 16. Okay, 16. Okay, so hexadecimal is a combination of 0 to 9, that is digits, and capital characters A to F. Here A represent 10 and B character represent 11, C 12, capital D 13, capital E 14 and F 15. So 0 to 15 is hexadecimal. All of you got it. So it is preceded with OX. Okay, or smaller OX or capital OX. See, this is the decimal number, this is the octal number, and this is the hexadecimal number. All of you got it. Now real numbers. Already integers, constants are there, right? Then what's the need of real? Already numbers are there. Then what's the need of real or floating point numbers? The reason is we can't able to measure some categories with the help of these integers. For example, is it able to precisely measure the distance with integer without pointed values? I can say it's 4.2 kilometers, 4.1 kilometers. That is exact. If I say 4 kilometers means it's not exact. So with the integer constants, we can't able to measure some categories like height. Okay, not adequate to represent a height, distance, temperature. All these things we can't able to measure with the integer. Integer numbers are not adequate. It was inadequate. That's the reason we are use the fractional or real constants. So see 0.008 minus 0.5, these are the fractional. Again, your real or fractional or real or floating point is written or represented in two ways. One is fractional part representation, another one is exponent. Exponent is the scientific notation and this is the pointed notation. See 25.0001, this is the fraction. Then what is the need of exponent part? We say it is a scientific notation. What is the need? If you want to represent a very small number as well as a very large number, if you want to represent a very small number, that is minus 0.0000 like that, as well as very big number, we need a exponent. See here, 12, how many zeros are there? How much big number here? It should be represented as 1.2E8. That means after this point, 8 values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.2E8. That means after this pointed, 8 values are present in the exponent. Instead of writing this big number, and if I put one more 0 means here it is 9. 2 more 0 means it is 10. This is the big number. See, this is the very small number, 0.00000025. So after this 2, how many pointed values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So e power 8. Why minus? Here also minus. If the left side, I say the easier method, in the left side 0 is coming means your exponent value is also negative number. If the right side zeros are coming means your exponent is positive. Right side zeros are there means, see here right side zeros after the numbers post. So we can put e power 8. See here, before the number zeros are preceded, prefix, the prefix zeros are there. So you have to put minus exponent. Love, you got it? Then the next one is character constant. So character constant is nothing but in your C program, your single character is expressed in single quotes, const char. So always the A value is X, it cannot be changed. Similarly, string characters means sequence of characters enclosed in the double quotes. Love, you got it? So I hope you understand these constants topic, students. Thank you.